Are you looking for an AI tool that can transform your design game to the next level while just giving the AI tool some prompts, and that prompt will be converted into a unique design of your own, and after that you can go ahead and use that particular design in your t-shirt, in your logos, or in your businesses? So you are on the right place. So for this particular tutorial, I'm going to use the AI tool called Ideogram. So first of all, just open the Ideogram website, and after that on the home screen, so if you already have an account, you can go ahead and click on login. If you don't have an account, just click on sign up with Google. Then just check the box and click on continue and select a unique username, and after that just complete your registration. And there you go, you are in the official website of Ideogram. It is very simple to sign up, and once you are there, you can see in the home screen there are so many designs that you can use as a reference. And when you click on the design that are showing right here, you can also see the prompts that has been given in order to create that particular design. So you can either choose any of the design that you're liking, and you can go ahead and copy the prompt, and after that just paste in the description box and make some changes in the prompt, and you can create your image afterwards. And if you want to create an image by your particular prompt that you have in mind, you can go ahead and describe your prompt and the kind of image that you want to generate through this AI tool, and just click on create. So for example, I'm liking this picture right here. Now I'm going to copy the prompt for this particular image, and once I'm done, I'm gonna paste it right here. And now you can make little bit changes in the prompt itself, and you can also change the aspect ratio of the image that is here. So I'm gonna change the aspect ratio from 16:10, and once you are done, just click on generate. And now as you can see on the top, the AI tool has generated this picture for me. Not bad, not bad. As you can see that I have made little bit changes in the prompt, and the AI tool has created these pictures for me. And if you're satisfied with the result, all you can do is just go ahead and click on the download icon from here and download this particular picture in your device. If you don't, you can go ahead and make further changes in the same image. Likewise, you can choose any of the designs that are in the home screen, and if you want to give your unique prompt, you can give that as well, and then just click on generate. So as you can see that the AI tool has created the image with the prompt that I have just given to it. Likewise, you can create so many pictures and images that you have in your mind through just writing a simple prompt. And once you are done, you can go ahead and download the image that you are liking the most from the options that the AI will provide you. And the best part about Ideogram is that it is completely free. So you can go ahead and explore the unlimited access to the Ideogram in your device and use that to your potential. So this way you will be able to use Ideogram AI tool. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.